Do you want to change your Windows 11 operating system dock from this to like this? Then you are in the right place. Hello everyone, this is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching sstectutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you that how you can change your Windows 11 default dock look from this to this one. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to open up any of your browser, then search on Google for Windhawk. Then go to this first website windhawk.net. Then from here click on download and it should start downloading the Windhawk application on your computer. Run that exe file and the installer will come up. From here click on OK, then click on next, install, and now it should install the Windhawk application on your Windows 11 operating system. Now click on finish and it should open up the Windhawk application on your computer. Here it is. Now again get back to your browser, take another tab, and from video description copy this GitHub repository link and navigate to this link, and from this GitHub repository open this assemble-mod.cpp file. Click on this icon to copy this code. Now again get back to Windhawk application, click on create a new mod, click on begin coding, then paste all of this code here, then click on compile mod. A little window will come up like this. It's gonna take a while to install that mod on your computer, so just sit back and relax. Okay, so guys, now here you can see our dock is completely get changed from the default one to this new stylish floating dock. Now click on exit editing mode, then open up this taskbar as island, click on details, then click on settings, and now from here you can customize the dock as like you want. Like this, I'm gonna decrease the taskbar height, change the corner radius, then click on save settings. Here you can see the radius got changed. Like this, you can customize the dock in many ways. Now let's add some minimize animation to this dock. Get back to Windhawk, click on explore, search for minimize, click on macOS minimize animations, click on install, then accept risks and install. And now here you can see the macOS look like animation in our Windows 11 operating system dock. So guys, like this you can change the Windows 11 default dock to look like this macOS. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.